Hi, I'm Jason Kirby. I'm an application engineer here at EXAIR. At EXAIR, we offer a wide variety of point-of-use compressed air products, everything from air knives to cabinet cooler systems. But today, I'd like to discuss with you one of our optimization products. Now, our optimization products are just that, products that are going to help you optimize your compressed air system. This is going to help with safety, money savings, efficiency, and overall performance of your point-of-use compressed air product. Today we're going to discuss the digital sound level meter. This is an easy-to-use point-and-read volume meter to help regulate volume levels in your facility. Now let's take a closer look at the digital sound level meter. So what I like to do now is just go over the button options of the digital sound level meter. So starting right here in the middle, that's going to be your power button. So you can see as soon as I power that on, it's going to immediately start reading the decibel levels of my voice. The top left here is going to be your backlight button. So that's just for ease of viewing, especially in dimly lit environments. The AC button is for frequency weighting. A is going to be, the response of the meter is going to be similar to the response of the human ear, commonly used for environmental or hearing conversation programs such as OSHA. Where C is going to be a much flatter response, is suitable for the sound level analysis of machines, engines, etc. The FS button is going to be your fast and slow response time. Fast is going to be used to capture noise peaks that occur very quickly. Slow is going to respond to monitor a sound source that has a consistent noise level or to average quickly changing levels. Slow is what you're typically going to use in most applications. The high-low is going to be your range selection. If the measurement is in the range of 35 to 100 decibels, use the low range. If the measurement is between 65 and 130 decibels, use the high range. For anything in between 65 and 100, you can use either. Lastly, we're going to do our max hold button. So the max hold, in this mode, the meter only updates the LCD screen when a higher reading than the one presently on the display is detected. The data hold is to freeze a display reading. So those are all the options in terms of buttons, but once again, I just want to highlight that as I'm talking, you can see how quickly the decibel reading changes just from the volume of my voice. That's a brief overview of the digital sound level meter. If you have any questions on the digital sound level meter or any of our EXAIR products, feel free to give us a call or simply reach out via our tech helpline, which is listed on our website. Thank you again. I'm Jason Kirby. Have a wonderful day.